Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming to view my video, and I hope you stay. If you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for returning. So from the title of this video, I'm just going to show you how I move around the house with my baby on me, how I use my Noo Noo Pie baby wrap. So this wrap helps you move around, like I said, and also sometimes it can help soothe the baby when he's being cranky or is sleepy or anything like that. And what I've noticed with my son is that he usually does sleep much quicker when I wrap him. So I hope this will be helpful to anyone. Just a tip to anyone that's starting out. Just push through the fear of thinking that maybe it might fall, or it's not tied enough, or it's not tied properly. Just push through and you will get the hang of it. That's what I did. So I had to always make sure that I'm pushing through with regards to my fear and the wrap. That's the only way, and soon enough you will be wrapping your way through the house. So I'm just gonna jump straight into the tutorial. I'm currently holding my son right now, so I'm just gonna put him down and then show you how I wrap my Noo Noo Pie, and then demonstrate how I put him inside the wrap. Alright. This is the wrap. So you can usually tell the middle of the wrap by the mark, or whatever this point. This is the middle of the wrap, right? So I'm just gonna stretch it out, and then this is how you tie it. So you put it all over yourself. So I start with the right side. So I take my right side. I always make sure that this is as open as possible, right? I don't string it, or I don't make it thin, for lack of a better word. So I wrap this around, and then I use my other arm to help me get it over my shoulders, right? So I immediately make it as wide here, right? So, and then now we're working with the left. So with the left now, I take it over the right side. So you put it over it, and then you take it to the back. Same thing, always have it as wide as possible. And then I take it over my shoulder, and here we are, right? So you can see it's coming along nicely already. So then I put it inside, put the side inside this initial wrap around my tummy that I did. So here we are. So I just try and fix my back as much as I can. Right? So this is how the back is looking so far. So I always try and make sure that I pull it as much as I can, so that it's secure, it's firm up here. So I always pull, pull, and then you cross it. So I'm crossing it, and then I'm taking it to the back, right? So take it to the back, cross it at the back, and then move it back to the front. So I make a knot on the side. You knot it on the side, right? So yeah, that's it, right? So this is the part where the initial part, and these are the crosses that you made. So I always make sure that this part is as firm as possible, not too firm, but firm, right? So if you're not sure, if you're checking and you feel like it's still loose, just untie the knot. Untie the knot, right? And pull it again. Just pull it one more time, and then take it back. Tie the knot. So now my baby is cranky, so I'm just gonna take him and bring him here so that I can show you how to put him inside the wrap. Right, so here we are, we have the baby, right? So I'm just gonna hold him like this. So I start with the one that's inside. So here I have baby, right? So I start with the one that's inside. So there's the one that's on top, the one that's below that one, right? So you see my hand, what I'm doing with my hand? I'm just bringing it through, right? So I can put his leg. There we go. And then I wrap the baby's buttocks with it. Right? And then the second one, open it, get his feet through, he just burped. So another good thing about this is that if your baby is struggling to burp, then you can definitely use this. He will burp. So for now, you see, he burped now. He was struggling to burp. But I knew, because I knew I'm going to film this, I'm going to record this, I knew that he's going to burp when I do this. So now I'm taking the first initial part, the one that wrapped around my tummy, and I put through his legs, as you saw, and I'm now covering him. So if it's too cold, you can definitely cover the feet as well, like that. And yeah, there you are. You can move around hands-free around the house, right? But when he's sleeping, or when you fed him and it's time for him to sleep, you rather put in his head. He might not allow right now because he's being cranky, he wants to eat. So you put in his head, you cover him, and this will force him to stay like that. So, and then the baby is breathing through this side. Then there you are. You move around the house, you can do whatever. It's quite secure, and I'm comfortable, and I'm happy that I can do stuff around the house with the baby on me. I don't have to keep running back and forth, right? So that's a great plan. So that's it for my mini tutorial on how to wrap a baby wrap. Essentially, it works the same with any other brand. It's just that I have the Noo Noo brand. So yeah. You see, I'm also using his pacifier while he's on me so that he doesn't become too cranky. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye guys.